Spotlight on deer.
My name's Billy.
And I'm with it. This here's Spotlight on deer. Today we gotta fix our brusher hogger upper.
Right there, Sadie dog.
Yeah, you can't help. But the key to a good weld, we got her tacked down. Go, get out of here. You're messing up my YouTube.
You gotta keep
the beer
hydrated in case you have a fire, so you can put it out.
Tack weld. We got everything clean. We got good ground. We're going to try to wire weld that there wheel on there. I think the dog's going to weld it. But anyway, safety is the key. I have a pair of free green hand-me-down glasses. We do not use welding shields around here, so we double do it.
And them steel toes are important as well.
Oh, you gotta have your steel toe work boots on.
Steel toe sandals.
Yeah, just like Jesus would do. So I'm gonna try to get me a little weld on here and see what happens.
What would Duke do?
Duke would say, fuck it.
Just so you know, I ain't looking at the weld while he's welding.
Fire in the hole.
Oh wait.
Oh, wait.
Go ahead. It needs to come out faster. Turn the speed up. Now try it.
Did you have it on left?
I turned it back up. The speed of the wire.
I'm digging how that speed.
And you got it on max too.
Max speed, isn't it, or max heat?
That's max heat. Well, how'd you do there, boss?
I don't know. I can't see a fucking thing. These glasses suck.
When in doubt,
I will go to Walmart, get me one of them there $20 welding shields for next trip.
gob it on there. That's a hell of a tack if I ever seen one. And for this episode of Welding Your Lawnmower, we even got a fan club. Say hello.
You're a YouTube sensation, Brian.
Oh yeah, that's Brian there.
I'm gonna have to go deep. For this episode, stay tuned.
You never know what you're gonna see next.
Because I am Willie.
And I am Billy.
Stay tuned for the next episode of
Spotlight on Deer.